Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. Ang topic po natin ngayon is sex and lordship. Sex is not an area of life that stand apart from Christ's authority. As Lord, He calls us to submit every thought, desire, and action, including our sexuality, to His rule. When sex is lived under the Lordship, it becomes an act of worship, reflecting purity, faithfulness, and covenant love. Outside His Lordship, it leads to their distortion and destruction. Ayon po sa 1 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 19 to 20, do you not know that your bodies are temples of the Holy Spirit who is in you, whom you have received from God? You are not your own. You were bought a price. Therefore, honor God with your bodies. Ayon po sa ating katuruan, sex is a domain outside of Christ's Lordship. Kahit sa aspect ng sex or intimacy, si Jesus pa rin ang may kapangyarihan at dapat siya pa rin ang sinusunod. Hindi ibig sabihin na pwede natin gawin ang gusto natin sa area na yun na parang walang kinalaman si Lord, kasama pa rin yun sa saklaw ng kanyang pamumuno sa buhay natin. Next is, sanctification is God's will under Christ's Lordship. Sinasabi po ito na gusto ng Diyos na tayo ay maging banal. Mahiwalay sa kasalanan at mabuhay ng malinis. At ito ay posible kapag si Jesus ang Panginoon ng ating buhay. Hindi lang ito isang option, kundi ito talaga ang kalooban niya para sa atin. Next is, surrender is the only response to Christ. Kung si Jesus talaga ang Lord ng buhay natin, ang tamang response ay ang buong pusong pagsuko. Hindi kalahati lang, kundi lahat ng aspects ng buhay natin kapag kasama na ang relationship, desire, at habits. Next is applications. First is surrender your desire daily to Christ's Lordship. Hindi lang ito one-time decisions. Araw-araw natin pinipili si Jesus higit sa sarili natin kung gusto. Kung may temptations, dinadala natin yun sa Kanya. And separate from practice that dishonor His name. Kung may mga habits, relationship, or media na taliwas sa kalooban ni Lord, dapat handa tayong bitawan yun. Hindi kasi pwede ang kompromiso kung tunay tayong sumusunod sa Kanya. And seek to glorify Christ in every area of intimacy. Kung may relasyon man tayo, dapat malinaw na ang goal ay si Lord ang malawalhati, hindi lang sa salita kundi sa purity, respect, at commitment. And ay lamang po, maraming salamat.